love, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this quick, easy hairstyle for natural hair. If your hair is shorter, thick, you just don't feel like dealing with it, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do it in honestly 5 minutes, if that. Before I get started, I'm just going to say this drawstring ponytail is from Yebo hair. And this style of the bun is called the Afro chignon bun. I'm going to show you guys. I don't know if that focused, but this was sent to me. I did not pay for this with my own money. However, y'all can see in the video how quick and easy this was. It is a synthetic ponytail. Alright guys, so this is literally the packaging. I did not open it. I took it out of the shipping package it came in, but I did not touch it at all. So when you get your package, this is what it looks like. And just taking the seal off, you have, okay, so ooh, they gave me 2 hair ties. They gave me a hair clip. And then I got my ponytail. Okay, so this looks like, oh, they gave me 2 clips. My bad, y'all. I got 2 clips and 2 hair ties. And this looks like this. This is literally straight out of the package. And you can see some curls kind of like, but I want to kind of comb mine out because I want it to match my hair texture. Like, texture does look really good and it looks like it will match my hair. And also if you have that curl, it looks like it will match your hair as well. So I have a strand of red hair, but yes, and it's super big. It's a card and it basically gives you step-by-step directions on literally how to apply this drawstring puff. Give it its shape back and how to get your 4C hair as flat as possible. Like, if you have 4C hair, this video is going to be perfect for you because my hair is really, it's not just like 4C, it's thick. So it's really not easy to put in a sleek ponytail. So the first thing I'm going to do is, this hair is completely dry and I know my hair is easier to work with when it's wet. So I'm going to be taking some water and I'm going to be spraying the perimeter. Just to make it smoother to work with. Y'all better get this at y'all beauty supply store for 99 cents. The harder the better. And I'm just gonna brush my hair to get it prepped all around the perimeter. You know, you got water on your face now, so it's gonna be dripping. But yes, now this is the step where you're going to glue your hair. Don't glue your hair, but this is the step where y'all will be slicking down your hair. So y'all, if you have 4C hair, I would recommend Got2b. If you just use any gel that you know will slick down your hair. And I know Got2b is like a stronger hold and it leaves a residue in your hair. So don't use this if like you plan on taking this out and doing something else with your hair, because you're gonna have to wash your hair. Only reason why I'm using this on my whole head is because I'm getting ready to wash my hair soon. So yeah, I'm just gonna be and the only way I can really get my hair to be in uniform and slick back, because my hands are gonna eventually slip, I use a shoelace to put my hair back. So what I'm gonna do is I literally just do like this. This is literally a hack because the shoelace goes around your whole head and you can tie it to a smaller length. That's why I find it easier to use than just using one small hair tie and putting all my hair in one hair tie, because my hair is so thick it doesn't work that well. So what I do is I slide it back a little bit and then I tug, like so. So when I feel like I have it all slicked like this, you know, usually the back, since the back is up more, the back isn't going to be as slick as the front. So, but yeah, so this is like my desired, this is, let me step back. So this is like my desired puff size. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the shoelaces around and just try and make them disappear. Once you put the drawstring, you're kind of not going to see them anyways, so. And then tuck. Bobby pins if you have bobby pins. I don't really have any. And, you know, like I said, my hair is thick, so if your hair is shorter than mine or thinner than mine, you'd be able to put your hair in a bun. But I'm just going to break mine up into 2 braids to get it really flat. I don't want it to look bulky. Or you can do 2 twists to try and put it in one. And now I'm going to make it in a bun. And now this is where you're going to use one of the hair ties that they provided. And just close it. Like this. So now you've made your bun smaller. Loosening it up. If it's not already, you know, you can pull it apart, So it does get pretty wide, so even if your bun isn't really that small, this will work. So you're going to locate your clip, your 2 clips, and this is what you're going to attach your hair by. I'm going to squeeze that into the root of my hair, just like so. And now this is where you take the drawstring part, you pull it tight as you want or up to your liking, and then the string you can, bun is attached to your head, you kind of want to make it yours. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to like pull on it. You can comb it out, but my puff, as you guys can see, is definitely bigger. And at this point I'm going to do my edges because you can't be laid unless your edges are slayed. Remember I said that. Yeah guys, as you can see, this was super quick, super easy. If you're in a rush, you don't know what to do to your hair, you don't feel like dealing with your hair, this is probably one of the quickest and easiest things you can do, and no one can really tell that this isn't your real full hair. Look. Yes, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box of where you guys can purchase this. It was $10, so super affordable, super cheap. Y'all know I'm including cheap alternatives to every hairstyle on my channel because I did the goddess locks. Like I'm doing this. So yes, guys, Yebo hair, link in the description, and I'm gonna post some pictures so you guys can see it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you guys so much for watching.